Hello, you're watching Hello, you're watching weekly review of the US stock market on the ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Екатерина Stikhina. The US stocks finished the last trading week in the negative territory due to the release of corporate reports, the terrorist attack in Paris, as well as expectations for the first round of the presidential election in France. At the same time, the market showed an upturn at the end of the week. The Nasdaq Composite reached 5,910.52 in the late Friday trade. At the end of 5 sessions, the index rose by 1.8% after a decline for 2 consecutive weeks. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped to 20,547.76 in the late session of April 21st, 18.5% this week. As for the Dow components, 90 out of 30 stocks showed an increase over the last week. The biggest gains were shown by the American Express shares. International Business Machines Corporation is the worst performer of the week. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 closed the week at 2,348.69. At the industry level, almost all of its sectors grew by the end of the week. The index advanced by 0.9%. On Thursday, the US stock indexes added about 1%, mainly due to the expansion in financial and technological sectors. The US composite PMI fell to 52.7 in April from 53 in March. Flash survey data from Market Economics showed Friday. This is the weakest growth rate since September 2016. However, existing home sales in the United States rose to the highest level in the last 10 years in March. The volume of sales increased by seasonally adjusted 4.4% to 5.71 million units against the forecast of 5.60 million units. The market value of toy manufacturer Mattel fell by 13.6% to a half-year low amid weak financial results. Mattel statistics for the first quarter turned out to be weaker than expected. The company reported loss of 32 cents a share on an adjusted basis. The revenue fell by 15% to $735.6 million. Economists had forecast a loss of 17 cents a share and $794 million revenue. Meanwhile, Honeywell extended gains by 2.7% as its shares grew more than expected. The company's earnings rose to an adjusted $1.66 a share, which is 4 cents higher than the forecast. The revenue fell by $30 million to $9.492 billion, defying expectations for a fall of $9.328 billion. You are watching weekly review of the US stock market prepared for you by ИнстаФорекс TV team with me, Екатерина Stikhina. Have a profitable deals with ИнстаФорекс.